Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Executive consultations with the founding members, coordinators across Nigeria and the diaspora, and key stakeholders of this movement, we have reached a decisive resolution in the interest of justice, order, and organizational discipline. This is a breaking development. Effective immediately, the Obidient movement worldwide, under its new structured leadership, hereby announced the dissolution of all previously constituted leadership structures that emerged outside the authority of the founding framework of this movement. Furthermore, in line with our commitment to accountability, transparency, and operational and organizational integrity, we hereby declare that all individuals who assume leadership positions or acted on behalf of the movement without the consent of its original founders are no more recognized in any capacity. In this regard, the movement formally withdraws recognition and membership status from the following individuals. Meaning that they are all expelled and remain expelled from the movement as leaders and members respectively. And number one on the list is the former Labour Party presidential candidate, Mr. Peterobi, and Alhaji Mr. Tanko, who is holding sway right now. He comes to online, comes to press conference, and everything to be in charge. And we called on all members across the 774 local government areas in Nigeria. After the 2023 elections, we believed the original vision and founding ideas of this movement were no longer being adequately represented by those who assumed control